This creature can literally cheat death, and scientists still don't understand how. If you're subscribed, let's dive into one of nature's greatest mysteries. This is the immortal jellyfish, a tiny organism with a superpower no other animal has. When it faces danger, sickness, or even old age, it does something unbelievable. Instead of dying, it reverses its entire life cycle. It transforms back into its younger form, like pressing a biological reset button. This process is called transdifferentiation, cells changing into completely new cell types. Humans can't do this, but this jellyfish can do it again and again. Essentially, it becomes biologically new each time it restarts. This means it could, in theory, live forever unless eaten or injured. Scientists are fascinated because this might hold clues to human aging. It's only about 4 to 5 millimeters long, yet it contains one of biology's biggest secrets. The immortal jellyfish is found mostly in warm Mediterranean waters. But today, it's spreading worldwide thanks to ship ballast tanks. Every time it encounters lethal stress, it starts its transformation again. Imagine if humans could reverse aging the moment we got sick or old. This creature is showing the world that aging might not be as permanent as we think. But despite all this power, it's incredibly fragile and easily killed by predators. That's the ironic part, a biologically immortal creature that can still die at any moment. And because it can restart life endlessly, it might outlive entire species on Earth. If this blew your mind, hit like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. The ocean is full of secrets we'll uncover together.